Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I mean, it does kind of look like we are trying to push down, but I do still think even if it does go down, that it is going to go up and take out these highs at some point. I still think it's going to go up to that 155 area at some point. Now this is the monthly, so it could take a while for that to play out. Going down to the weekly time frame, we definitely have a five-way pattern to the upside right here, but we still don't have a breaker structure to the downside. This move down right here still could be a crescent to this move up, so we do have to be aware that a trend could just keep on trending up like that pretty easily. But it does kind of look like this should be a wave B, and this should be a wave C, and then later on it could continue the uptrend. So we definitely have a few scenarios, so let's take it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we definitely are going up right now, but this move up doesn't really look too impulsive. It does kind of look like it almost could make some sort of a correction and actually end up continuing down for that bigger wave C like I was showing on the weekly time frame. So at least for now, I probably would be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. We do have to be a little bit on the cautious side because the yen pairs have been going up for about 4 years now, and we do have to be cautious and be aware that this could just keep on trending up at any time. So if we are looking for shorts, we definitely need to be a little bit on the cautious side. So let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I mean, it does look like a 1, 2, 3 right here. This move up, it may actually be a wave 4. Maybe it's just going to end up doing something like this and just keep on trending down. Maybe it's a wave 4. Maybe it's a subdivision of that big wave C I was showing on the weekly. Either way, I definitely would be looking for a Fibonacci bounce. I would be looking for an impulsive move down to go short for the continuation of possibly a wave C. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So really what's important to see right here is that we are kind of making higher highs, higher lows. So if you trade below the 1 hour time frame, you should be looking for shorts. If you trade the 1 hour time frame and above, I think you should technically, I'm sorry, I got that backwards. If you're trading the 1 hour time frame and down, you should be looking for longs. If you're trading like the 1 hour time frame and up, more like a swing trade strategy, then you should probably be waiting patiently for it to go up, make a Fibonacci bounce, make a breaker structure to the downside. If it does that, then that would be my next sorting opportunity. Possibly it's just a wave 5, or possibly it's a subdivision of a much, much larger trend like I was showing on the weekly, which would be a big wave C most likely. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, linked in the card up above over here. And don't forget to take a look at my brand new website, linked to the left of this video down here. So, happy trading and good luck.